Hey beauties, it's your girl Kristen back here on YouTube. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time watching. My name is Kristen. I'm a licensed esthetician, a freelance makeup artist, an entrepreneur, a mom. I do it all. This is going to be part 4 of my Beauty Room from Scratch series. I've been pretty much filming this weekly. Every episode seems to be part of this series because that is just pretty much my life right now. I rented an office space a couple weeks ago and I'm taking it from just being a bare room to a place where I can have clients, where I can make my products, where I can film my YouTube videos. It's just going to be an all-purpose room. And this room actually has gone through a lot of transformation already just in the last couple weeks. If you haven't watched the other parts of this series, I'll go ahead and link those down below. Part 1, you'd see me paint the room. Part 2, I hung up some really cool wallpaper. Part 3 is going to be more so about marketing and budgeting, kind of the behind the scenes of opening up a beauty studio. This video is going to be probably just a continuation of the transformation of the room. I'll go ahead and show you what's been done to it so far. We've added some cabinets, I added the mirror, added some shelves. I have a lot of just random crap in here, but it's kind of just to tie in this whole room. At this point, I'm just trying to focus on the furniture and just the little nuances in this room that need to be here so that when I have clients here, when I have anyone here, we're all taken care of, because pretty much this is going to be a room where I'm going to be spending a lot of time in. So yeah, if you guys want to see an update on the room, then go ahead and continue watching. We're back and here we are at the room. Dun, da, 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 da. It looks like crap, but it's okay. This is a work in progress, but as you can see, we've already been adding a lot of things to this room. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to build this table here. So as always, my videos never really go as planned. Yesterday, I almost finished building that table. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Lately, I've been selling masks. And so yesterday, I had somebody come pick masks up from my studio. And so yeah, I got interrupted and then I didn't finish. So I'm about to go inside and finish the desk. I really would like to hang up those decals today and just get some things organized in there. So yeah, come along with me and we'll finish up this table. We're just gonna go ahead and finish building this table. If you can see it. I only got one more drawer to finish and then we will try to hang up these flower decals here. So yeah, I'll prop you guys up so you guys can see me finish this thing. Alright guys, here's the final product. I don't know why it's so difficult to open, but I'm gonna figure it out. But for now, see, I don't want to have to do that. Oh my god, really? Alright, well, I fixed it. I'm just gonna have to open it from the bottom. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna try to get, I don't know, I just have so much crap in the way. This is where I want to put the flowers. I'm gonna have to move all this stuff out of the way to put them up. Alright, so I cleared out this area and now I'm gonna kind of just look at where to place these flowers. They're so big. So I got this big old flower and this big old flower with some leaves. I have this big pink one. Decisions. Alright, so let me read the instructions first. Before you begin, the do's. Apply on finished surfaces only, primed and painted walls. Apply to room temperature surfaces. Wait at least 2 weeks before applying to newly painted walls. Wash and completely dry your hands before application. After applying each sticker, smooth over entire area with pressure, paying special attention to the edges. Unroll the sheets and lay them out in the room they will be installed in. Allow them to adjust to room temperature for a day or two. So that's what I did. If you guys haven't noticed, these have been laying out in the room for a little while now, just to adjust to the room temperature and not be all rolled up. The don'ts: do not apply to unfinished surfaces, so bare concrete. Do not apply to cold surfaces. Do not apply to freshly painted walls. Wait at least 2 weeks. Freshly painted walls will off-gas and cause premature wallpaper failure. Hint, hint, I read these instructions before I filmed this so that I knew we could do it today. Yeah, no sweat application, just peel the wall stickers off the sheet and place them on the wall. Word to the wise, remember to keep the backing paper so that you have a place to store your wall stickers when you want to take them off. Okay, good to know. But I'm gonna try my best to separate them so that I can lay them out so I can see where they'll go. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'll just rip it. So that worked. I just ripped it so that it's just one flower at a time. And I'm gonna do that for the white ones too, and then I'll just prop you up so that you can see me like play around with the placements. So I just keep playing around with it. These are actually really easy to take on and off the walls, which is awesome. So I'm kind of just playing around with them like stickers. But I'm thinking that this corner area is going to be kind of where people are going to be taking selfies, or they're going to be, I'm going to put a little like chair and table there to put people's stuff. So it's going to kind of just be like a waiting area, I think. So that's kind of what I'm envisioning, and I'm trying to like put it together. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And what's cool is I feel like they're super easy to take off, so if I wanted to switch it up at any point, I feel like I can. But there it is. Yeah, it took forever just to figure out like where to place it all, where to make it look good, because I knew I wanted to have the mirror right next to it. And it looks like there's an empty space right here, but like I said, I'm planning on probably putting some sort of like chair or something there to fill up that space. So yeah, I'm actually happy with how it came out. It's cute. And I'm kind of tempted to like buy, another one because I almost feel like I want to like extend it. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna be trying to clean up the dang place. It's just such a mess right now. But yeah. Alright, so I cleaned up a little bit. I unboxed a lot of things. I put up these little vanity lights on the mirror. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just close. Ooh, look at this lighting. Okay, okay. I'm not gonna link everything just yet because, sorry about the noise, the janitor's cleaning right now. I'm not gonna link everything just yet. I'm gonna wait till the grand final reveal of this room to link where I got everything. So that is why you need to keep watching this series so that you can find out where I got everything, because I will definitely be including that in the final reveal. Now I'm gonna wrap up this video in my car because I cannot deal with this vacuum right now. So say goodbye to the room. Hopefully next time you guys see it, it'll be a little bit more put together and clean. And yeah, I will check back in when I'm in my car. Alright guys, sorry about the vacuuming noise. Hopefully that didn't ruin any of the footage that I got. I'm in my car now. It's so funny. I just met the janitor earlier and I was talking to him on the way out, and he's a quirky character. Probably the next time I'm in here, which will be tomorrow, I'm getting the steamer and hot towel cabinet delivered. I'm really having to crunch down on what exactly I need for storage in there. And as you can see, it's coming together, but you know, it's not exactly where I want it to be just yet. What I was trying to tell you inside the room when the vacuum was going on was, right now it's just so, I just got an email today from the insurance for skincare professionals company, and they sent us basically an updated, you know, PDF of what California is doing as far as regulating estheticians and hairdressers and all that right now, personal services. And it's just so confusing. Like, they're telling us that we can do services outside. I mean, have they, I just wonder if they're actually talking to cosmetologists and estheticians when they're making up this stuff, because it just makes no sense whatsoever. Like, how are you supposed to do hair outside? How are you supposed to do a facial outside? I'm not completely understanding, but that's why, I mean, I've been working on other projects like the candles and selling masks and stuff, because I do realize that I'm gonna be limited with how much beauty stuff I can do indoors, I guess, now, because God knows I'm not going to do anything outside. That's freaking ridiculous. I just can't even believe how neglected the beauty industry is right now. We've had no support. I don't know, I just feel like our industry is getting so thrown around right now, and it's just really getting on my nerves. And all of myself and everybody that I know who is an esthetician or hairdresser or barber, even tattoo artists, like, we're just so frustrated right now. It is scary. It is scary that I have decided to take this step during this time, but at the same time, I just had this feeling in my gut that I should go for it and that I should give this a shot, and I'm going to. I'm going to give it 100%, and I really, really believe that this is going to turn into something great. And I think that's what I encourage you guys to do during this time, if you guys are also estheticians and hairdressers, is to just stay positive and stay the course. You know, this is just a period of time in the long run of things. We've had viruses before, we've had ups and downs in the industry before. The economy, you know, tanks sometimes. So, like, you know, during times like this, you really need to just keep your head up, stay positive. I don't know, that's just my rant for the day. Just being real with you guys about this time. It's just such a unique time, but I have faith. I'm gonna keep moving forward. We're gonna stick together. That's all I can really say. Thanks for tuning into this video. It was kind of not really, didn't have an agenda or anything. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I'm doing and what I'm doing with the room. This is really a series to show you what it takes to open up a space, and I hope this is helpful for you guys. Comment down below if you know, you guys like the decals. If you guys have any questions, of course I'm here to answer any. Like this video, and definitely subscribe to my channel, because I'm just gonna keep showing you guys all the ins and outs of what it takes to open up a salon, open up a beauty space. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.